it out. We just bagged the Redeye. So right here, if I hit these buttons, you're gonna see it's gonna drop.
Stiletto.
We're putting in this air strut right here. About to put it in the bags. Oh, hell. Hey, don't hit my fender, bro. Don't hit my fender. Where? Huh? Right here.
Oh, hell.
Put it.
Twist it.
Twisting it. I'm twisting it. You're not gonna roast me in the comments. I do it like this, but. Oh, hell. Let's finish up installing all these air parts, air strut, air bag. We're running the air lines. These are the air lines right here. So they're gonna be going above all this. We're gonna follow the brake line, use brackets all the way to the front. Run all this air line to this braided steel line, and then this will get all tucked away. It'll all be hidden. So this allows me to actually push air into the bag and let air out of the bag. Something that looks like this little gray thing at the end. Well, Airlift played us. So they sent us 1/4" lines. We need 3/8" lines. So as you can see, this thing is too big for that hole right there. So, yeah, that's our problem. So pretty much we got to order some online, play it myself. It's gonna be all right. Everything happens for a reason. God got a plan. So stay tuned. Let's see what we do.